Welcome to this video on advanced AI. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, but recent advancements in technology have taken it to new heights. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest developments in AI and how they're changing the world. Part 1. Deep Learning. Deep learning is a subfield of AI that uses artificial neural networks to learn from vast amounts of data. It has revolutionized image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and other fields. One of the most exciting developments in deep learning is GPT-3, a language model that can generate human-like text. It has been used for a variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and even writing news articles. Part 2. Computer vision. Computer vision is another exciting field of AI that involves teaching machines to see like humans. Recent advancements in computer vision have enabled self-driving cars, facial recognition technology, and augmented reality experiences. One of the most impressive applications of computer vision is the ability to generate realistic images and videos from text descriptions. This has enormous implications for the entertainment industry and virtual reality experiences. Part 3. Autonomous systems. Autonomous systems are machines that can operate without human intervention. They include self-driving cars, drones, and even robots that can perform tasks in factories or hospitals. The development of autonomous systems has the potential to transform many industries, from transportation to healthcare. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of these technologies and the potential loss of jobs. Part 4. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that uses quantum bits, or qubits, instead of traditional binary bits. It has the potential to solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers. Quantum computing could lead to breakthroughs in areas like drug discovery, weather forecasting, and cryptography. However, building practical quantum computers is still a major challenge, and there are also concerns about the security implications of quantum computing. In conclusion, advanced AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from how we work to how we entertain ourselves. However, as with any technology, there are also risks and ethical considerations to be aware of. Thank you for watching.